Jesus Christ. What happened there, Leonie?
Well, Max, I wonder what happened.
Hey everybody, I'm Actors, and welcome back to the only channel on YouTube that covers in-depth videos of cars and sneakers, and we're back at it with the 240. It's been a while since we did a 240 vlog, so might as well do it for this cruise that we're going to. Anyways, funny story, we actually had a track day recently with this car, and we took home a cone because as we were drifting on the track, this cone just kind of slid underneath the car and broke off the exhaust. The exhaust is fixed now, but there's still some tape and stuff for when we had to bring it back home. Yeah, this was a fun day. We actually drove it home with the exhaust just dangling on the floor and scraping everywhere.
I got a bad feeling about this.
Yeah, good times.
So we got Max zip tying a hose back on that usually falls off. Zip ties always fix our problems. We're actually about to run to AutoZone to pick up a new hose for the idle control valve, because whenever we put it on, somehow it shrank, and we want one that's a little bit longer so we don't hear the whistle noise of the leak. Oh, also at the drift event we realized our throttle cable came off the bracket. As I said before, zip ties always fix our problems. Alright, we got the new hose on. Just needed one that was a little bit longer. Put that on. Tony showed up. There's Max with his cousin.
Not yet. Alright, the car is all ready and running, and I'm gonna go ahead and roll out for the cruise. Just had to pull over. The exhaust just fell off again. That's fun.
Welcome to Shit My Ride. We're gonna fix the exhaust the right way.
Alright, our friend Tony Montana here.
Alright guys, I'll give you a quick rundown. Whoa. Alright, so
You're looking too damn thick, dude.
the exhaust fell off on the highway and we thought, damn, we're not gonna make it. So what we did was we took a trusty pair of jumper cables, looped it around the exhaust hanger that the weld fucked up on, looped it around the exhaust, shot it through the bumper, tied it to a mount. As you can see, that's grade A. I'm not going anywhere for another 15 miles.
50 miles.
That's a conclusion of Shit My Ride.
And we're off again.
Let's hope it doesn't fall off again.
Let's see if we can actually make it.
Yes. To the meat. Alrighty. It's a freaking nice ass Lotus right there.
Yeah, it is. Damn. We can hit him.
Are we gonna hit him?
We can hit him. No,
No, we didn't hit him.
we're good. We're good. Alright. Oh, perfect. Ah, shit.
Somehow.
Dude, I'm telling you,
Somehow it held
cut
up.
off the muffler, just have an extended pipe.
I'm down. I'm down to do that. Have a side exhaust.
I'm gonna start stripping this one now while I can.
So how well did it hold up?
I guess it fell off once we got here.
It
No.
wasn't bouncing while we were driving.
Yeah, I didn't hear nothing.
Well,
That's all that matters. So fucking holy.
Tony with the Shit My Ride part 2.
Alright guys, so
Whole season out of this.
we're fixing the exhaust again. Didn't break, but it did melt. So we're gonna do it again.
Get us to the next destination.
Alright, literally.
right, 240 is parked, you know the drill. Oh my God. Yes. It's pretty warm in here. You wanna climb on in? Y'all let me know in the comments, what's a better car, G35 or 350Z? That is a sick body kit though on it. This RX-7 is way too clean. The interior and everything, Jesus. This is a really cool color for this Evo, man. Like this olive green military style. Never seen one like this. It's actually really dope. Is that a Supra?
No way, it's a Viper. Oh my God, is that a Miata?
Had to get a shot of this, man. We have the GTR and the Supra. Two of the biggest Japanese icons right next to each other. That is awesome. This guy's 240 is too damn clean. It's making my car look like shit. Holy shit, man. This 240 has an interior.
And your hood latches? Fuck, man. You got a push pin.
Fucking 350.
One of these days, we're just gonna start drifting with fucking Tony on the hood, holding everything together.
Slow down, stop.
Coming up again, I'm holding on.
Black or white? I'm gonna think white on the body.
So, here's my point of view. Here's Tony's point of view. Come on. Damn. Max, ain't that a sexy ass Altima? You motherfucker. Damn, is that a V8?
No, dog.
Fuck no. It's a V Infinity. Your face now. Damn. Hold on. Turn your. Damn. That would be a good ass photo. I'll screenshot it for you. Oh, look at that cop car.
Here's something I've never seen before. This is a 240SX with a Japanese front end on it. First time I've ever seen one of these. This is crazy. Those rims, holy shit. It's nice. And it also has an interior. Damn, we're lacking, bro. Sunroof too. It's nuts. I thought this was a 335i for a second, but no, it's an M3 and it's wrapped. It's insane. It's got like a purple to blue fade on it. But the dual wings though, I don't know. Speaking on wings though, holy shit. Oh my God. It's a Subaru. Tony just did a little adjustment to the headlights. Kind of did a little angry eye mod to them. Alrighty, the meet's just about done, so we're suiting up, getting ready to roll out. Gabriel, you're not enough in this video, man. What do you think about your first car meet?
You know what? I thought it was pretty badass. Definitely the best show car here. You know, my favorite.
Yeah, you gotta love her. Will she start? Alright, the meet's over now. We're gonna head on home, so I'm just gonna end the video off here. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like and share for that YouTube algorithm, as well as subscribe. Any support just be awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
There's the exhaust. It's working, I guess.